Hello my dear students, how are you? Hope everything is going well on your side. Today we are going to complete our journey in our book Global English 3, Unit 2, Lesson 5. The title is Special Memories. Pages 28 to 31 in the Learner's Book. In the Activity Book 24 to 27. The lesson objectives for today: read about special memories. Study the form and use of the auxiliary verb could and couldn't. We are going to learn some vocabulary about emotions. Please, there are some keywords we need to learn before we start. This is a teddy bear. This action is climbing a mountain. Here, this is a picture of a beach. This to express the feeling of being sad. And finally, this is a picture of necklace. Yes, now one. Do you have a special memory from when you were very young? Is it a happy, sad, proud, or funny memory? Speak about it. Number two, listen and read. Which memory do you like best and why? So now we are going to listen, then I ask you to read it on your own. We are going to listen and read three different kinds of memories. The first one is a sad memory. Listen carefully.
Track 19.
A sad memory. When I was very young, I had a teddy bear. He was called Bruno and he had only one eye. I took Bruno everywhere with me. One summer, my family went on holiday to the beach. We could play in the sand and swim in the sea all day. My teddy bear sat on a big rock next to the water. At the end of the day, my family left the beach, but we forgot Bruno. I couldn't sleep that night without my teddy bear. We went back to look for him the next day, but we couldn't find him. The sea must have taken Bruno away. Dad bought me a new teddy bear, but I still think about Bruno. I miss him.
Yes. Second one, as you can see, is a proud memory.
Last year, my grandpa had his 60th birthday. He wanted to climb a mountain to celebrate. He invited my family to go with him. My mother said I was too young. She thought I couldn't climb that far. But I really wanted to go. I knew I could do it. It was a high mountain, and we climbed for a long time. We met lots of people on the mountain. They all asked, "How old are you? Do you think you can make it to the top?" When we reached the top, we all had a picnic. My grandfather was very happy. He said to me, "I knew you could do it, Lynn. I am really proud that you climbed this mountain with me."
Yes. Now, language detective, a memory is something that you remember. Then they ask us, what is the opposite of remember? It is forget. Yes, now the third memory, a happy memory. Listen, my dear students.
A happy memory. My aunt got married when I was 4. My cousin and I were bridesmaids at her wedding. It was a big wedding with 130 guests. We wore beautiful long dresses and white shoes. After the wedding, we threw flower petals at the bride and groom and we decorated their car with balloons. It was fun. There was a huge wedding banquet. We ate and ate until we couldn't eat anymore. After dinner, our parents said we could play. So we played hide and seek under the tables and then we danced until very late. The bride gave each bridesmaid a special present, a silver necklace. I still have my necklace.
Okay. Now students, they say exercise number 3. Find the words in red. If you don't know, check the meaning or ask your teacher. Draw a picture of each thing to help you to remember what it means. Back to the lesson, we have the red words, teddy bear. What does it mean? A soft toy bear. Beach, the land next to the sea, covered with sand and some small stones. Top, the highest part of a mountain or anything. Picnic, it's a meal that you prepare at home and eat outside, away from home. Hide and seek, this is a game in which one person had to find the others who are hiding. Necklace, a piece of jewelry that you wear around your neck. Yes. Now read and talk. A sad memory. We have 3 questions. What was the teddy called? How did the boy feel about his teddy? The answers. He was called Bruno, and the boy loved his teddy because he took him everywhere with him. Now number 2, what did the family do when they couldn't find Bruno? They went back to the beach to look for Bruno. And number 3, have you ever lost something important to you? Actually, this is the student's own answer. So you need to talk about your experience. Now, number 2, a proud memory. Who thought that Link couldn't climb the mountain? And who thought that she could? Actually, the first part of the question, who thought that Link couldn't climb the mountain? It was her mother. And who thought that she could? Link's grandfather. The third memory, a happy memory. Exercise or question number 5. Find 3 things that the girl liked about the wedding. She liked the long dresses, beautiful long dresses. She liked decorating the car with balloons. She said it was fun. And she liked the necklace. I still have my necklace. Question number 6. Why do you think the bride gave the bridesmaids a present? To say thank you to them and to help them to remember that big day. Okay. Exercise number 5. We can use the word and to combine 2 sentences that are about the same thing. For example, my teddy's name is Bruno. He has only one eye. So how can I join these 2 sentences with one using the conjunction and? We say my teddy's name is Bruno and he has only one eye. Okay? We join the 2 sentences in one using the conjunction and. Write 2 sentences that describe one of your toys, then put the 2 sentences together with and. For example, we say, my cat's name is Roxy, she has a fluffy fur. So we can join it like this, my cat's name is Roxy and she has a fluffy fur. Choose the cat that you want and you can take home. Okay, exercise number 6. Could is the past of can. What is couldn't the past of? Actually, couldn't is the past form of can't. Now, number 2. Choose one of the 3 memory stories and how many sentences with could or couldn't can you find? Write them. Again, students, you can do this, okay, on a piece of paper or on your book. Then I will show you the correct answers. Compare your answers with mine. Number 3. Try 2 things that you couldn't do when you were a baby and write 2 things that you could do. 7. Draw a picture of a memory that you have. Write a title, a happy, or write a few sentences about your memory. Okay, now back to the sad memory. As I told you, I will show you the sentences with could or couldn't. See, we could play in the sand and we swim in the sea all day. Another sentence, I couldn't sleep that night without my teddy bear. We went back to look for him the next day, but we couldn't find him. Now, a proud memory, some sentences like, she thought I couldn't climb that far. I knew I could do it. He said to me, I knew you could do it, Ling. A happy memory, the last one, some sentences with using the auxiliary could and couldn't. We ate and ate until we couldn't eat anymore. After dinner, our parents said we could play. Okay, students? So please, you need to copy those sentences with could and couldn't. And actually, now what is on the screen from the 3 memories? Yes. Now, back to the activity book. Open your books on page 24. Write the correct sentence under each picture, then number the pictures 1 to 4 in the correct order. Again, students, take some time and write your own answers. Actually, down, okay? You have the 4 sentences down. Try to choose the correct answer for each picture. The first one, my teddy bear sat on a rock while we played, is number 2. Dad bought me a new teddy bear, is number 4. We forgot Bruno, is number 3. And here, I had a teddy bear called Bruno, is number 1. Okay, these are the sentences in the correct order. Exercise number 2, write the opposite of each word clue. All the answers are in the stories in the learner's book on pages 28 to 30. Winter, what is the opposite of winter? I think you can say it is summer. The opposite of remembered in the past, forgot. What is the opposite of the word sad? This is easy. Happy, young, old, short. You know, you can say long or tall, and early, late. Exercise number 3, have you ever lost something important to you? What happened? How did you feel? Write 3 sentences or 4. Okay? Each student, again, is required to write about his own experience. Yes. Look at a proud memory, only this part, a proud memory, on page 29 of the learner's book, and answer the questions. What did the grandpa and Link climb the mountain? Why did the grandpa and Link climb the mountain? Because it was grandpa's birthday. He wanted to climb a mountain to celebrate. Now, question number 2. Could the girl climb the mountain? Yes, she could. Number 3, was grandpa sad at the top of a mountain? No, he was very happy. And number 4, what did they do at the top? They had a picnic. Yes. Exercise number 5, grandpa made a certificate for Link. A certificate is a thing that you give to somebody when they do something special. For example, if they win a race, finish the words with the grandpa wrote. Certificate, well done, Link. On the 22nd of August 2013, you climbed to the top of a mountain. I am really proud of you. Signed by grandpa. Yes. Now, students, here, this is a quiz. Listen and tick the correct picture.
Track 67.
1. I'd like to take a photo of the groom, please.
Okay, I'm here. I can't believe I'm getting married today.
Smile, please. 2.
Actually, A is the correct one.
That's a very pretty cake.
It tastes nice too.
I wonder who made it. Did your grandmother make it?
No, my grandfather made it.
So he said my grandfather made
3.
it, so it is C.
Are the people having a party?
Yes, it's a birthday party.
Okay. Shall we write happy birthday behind the people?
Yes, please write happy birthday on the wall behind the people. Write it between the 2 balloons.
4. Who are the people at the birthday party?
There's a girl called Maria who's 8. Then there are her mother and father and her grandparents.
I can't see the grandmother.
Oh dear, you're right. The grandmother is missing. Can you draw the grandmother next to the grandfather?
Okay, I'll draw the grandmother sitting on the chair.
Yes, okay, so they are asking you to...
There's a big present on the table.
Perhaps the present is for Maria. It's her birthday.
Can we give her another present too?
What a good idea. Draw a little present next to the big present.
Okay, I'll draw a little present for Maria. I'm drawing it next to the big present.
Yes, hey students, we need to draw the grandmother like this, and finally you need to draw, I lit it for you to draw the present that you want for Maria. Now read and circle the best answer. Teacher, this unit was about family memories. What did you learn about? Actually, the correct answer is I learned about weddings and birthdays in different countries. Now here, 7, write the missing words. When my best friend was 8, she had a birthday party. All my friends went to the party, but I didn't, or you say couldn't go because it was my sister's wedding on the same birthday. Now read and listen. Which would you like to go to, a wedding or a birthday party, and why? Finally, you need to write your own answer. Finally, think about activities that you did in this unit and answer these two questions. What were you good at? Name 1 or 2 activities. What did you find difficult? Name 1 or 2 activities. This is the end of Unit 2. Hope that you enjoyed it and learned a lot from it. Thank you very much for watching, and see you soon.